Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we're going to discuss the difference between machine learning versus deep learning, which is one of the important topic. Let's cover since today. So before the going there, here now, what is exactly machine learning and what is deep learning? So machine learning, we know it's defined as an algorithm that gives the ability to computers to learn from data and make predictions also. And when you go to deep learning, is a subfield of or subset of machine learning concerned with algorithm inspired by its structure and function of the brain called a artificial neural network. So ANN. So let's go for example before seeing the difference between them. So let's assume that there will be, I'm going to say the example. Let's say we are going to train the data. That is the name of the fruit called, that is called one fruit called apple, another one called orange. So let's say when you apply the concept of machine learning, what will happen? We can give the training the data. So later the machine learning algorithm can find out which is apple, which is orange. So like that. But now the question is, what about banana? If you're adding the additional feature, there is another type of fruit called banana. The question mark arise here. So if you add the another banana and some other like fruits names like that, what will happen? So that time you can go for the concept deep learning here. This let me see highlight point here. So here, whenever add the banana, there will be some difficulties when you go for machine learning. So overcome everything, you go for the deep learning. So deep learning, when you go for this one, we can go ANN concept and applicable here. Remember. So when you go for apple orange, we are giving you specification, the shape and so on and so on, the size, color and so on based on machine learning predict. When you go for deep learning, it will predict everything successfully. Let's cover difference between machine learning and deep learning. So here machine learning. So you know already we are using here machine learning. We are using some algorithm where it will pass the data and learn from the data and make informational decisions based on what it has learned here. But when you go deep learning, completely the algorithms layers to create an ANN that can learn and make intelligent decisions on its own. So whenever compare or find the difference between machine learning, the amount of data here, the amount of data is very less only. So whenever for machine learning, it take very less data. When you go for deep learning, it requires more amount of data, large stuff, and also large data sets for training. Here, lesser training data only. Moreover, when you go point of time, here machine learning take short time and deep learning take long time to learn everything here. And accuracy. So when you go to the point of accuracy, here machine learning comes with a good accuracy and deep learning also comes with a best accuracy. Remember. And debugging. So debugging, when you got machine learning very easy, but here deep learning very difficult here. And expensive. When you come to the point of expensive, here comparison machine learning is very less and deep learning is very more. Like that is there. And here it always trains on CPU. Remember, machine learning always trains on CPU. Here deep learning trains on GPU for proper training here. Moreover, here the output is the numerical form for classification and scoring application also. And here output can be in any form, including free form elements such as free text and sound also. And more when you go to machine learning, the limited tuner capability for hyperparameter tuning is that here can be tuned in various ways. So when you go to the real time, you will understand better way. I already explained some video sessions. Please kindly follow the video sessions when you have doubt about the machine learning. And I hope that you understand the exact difference between what is the exact difference between machine learning and deep learning, how it will work today, and how it will work for and helpful for successful environment today like that. Wherever go today here like that. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media, what I giving here. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.